Addition of vectors. Vector AB means the displacement from a point A to the point B. Suppose a car moves from A to B and then from B to C. Then the net displacement of the car is given by the vector AC and it is expressed as AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector. This is known as the triangle law of vector addition. We know that vector AC is equal to negative of vector CA. Substituting this value in the triangle law of vector addition, we get AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector is equal to vector AA, which is equal to 0. That is, when the sides of triangle are taken in order, it leads to 0 resultant as the initial and terminal points get coincided. Difference of two vectors. Construct a vector BC dash so that its magnitude is same as the vector BC but the direction opposite to that of BC. We have vector BC dash is equal to negative of vector BC. Now, applying triangle law, we get vector AC dash is equal to vector AB plus vector BC dash. That is, vector AB plus negative of vector BC, which is equal to vector A minus vector B. Consider a boat in a river going from bank of the river to the other in a direction perpendicular to the flow of the river. Then, the boat is acted upon by two velocity vectors. One is the velocity imparted to the boat by its engine and other one is the velocity of the flow of river water. Under the simultaneous influence of these two velocities, the boat in actual starts travelling with a different velocity. Now, to get the clear idea about the effective speed and direction of the boat, we have parallelogram law of vector addition. If we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, represented by the adjacent sides of a parallelogram in magnitude and direction, then their sum vector A plus vector B is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram through their common point. This is known as the parallelogram law of vector addition.